subscribe.
Come along, let's dance and play. Y-M-Z, hip hooray. Jump, clap, and sing with me. Letters are fun, just wait and see. Y is for yak, stomping slow through the mountains, through the snow, with the furry coat so warm and bright, marching left and marching right. It's the butterfly, light and free, dancing in the breeze with glee. Flap your wings, swirl around, float so high up off the ground. Z is for zebra, running with cheer, stripes so bold from front to rear. Zig and zag, fast and slow, run like a zebra, go, go, go. Z is for zinnia, pink and red, blooming tall in the flower bed. Sway and dance, side to side, like a flower full of pride. Learn them all, hooray, hooray. A to Z, hip, hip, hooray. Clap your hands, give a cheer. We'll learn again, see you next year. We learned them all, hooray, hooray. A to Z, hip, hip, hooray. Clap your hands, give a cheer. We'll learn again, see you next year.